हाय एडवर्ड्स इन हिंदी की नई वीडियो सीरीज नीड टू नो में आपका स्वागत है. In this video, we will be talking about effectively utilizing the keyword planner tool. Having the right keywords is the key to getting your ads to show on relevant searches. But what if you're not sure which ones to choose? That's where the keyword planner comes in. This free AdWords tool can help you build or expand your search network campaigns. Keyword Planner makes it easier to find the right keywords by helping you research for keywords that might be relevant to your product or service, landing page, or your product categories, and also gets you historical statistics and traffic forecasts. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Keyword Planner to search for new keywords and ad group ideas, see how popular certain keywords were in the past, and learn how well they might perform in the future. To access the Keyword Planner, visit adwords.google.com/keyword planner and sign into your account. You can also access the same from the Tools drop-down menu from within your AdWords account. Now let's look at how to get new keywords ideas. Let's say for a used car campaign. Select Search for new keywords using a phrase, website, or category. Fill out one or more of the boxes that appear, including phrases or words related to your business, as well as your website URL, as this can give you more focused and relevant ideas. And then click on Get Ideas. Next, you'll see a list of keyword ideas sorted into ad groups. You can also see these same keyword ideas by clicking the Keyword Ideas tab. You can even customize the keyword ideas you generate on the basis of the various locations, on the basis of a particular time frame, and even use the keyword filters to further customize your search. You can decide which ones to add to your plan based on which keywords are most relevant to your business and by looking at overall trends in the graphs and reviewing the historical statistics in the table. Click the double arrows to add an ad group or keyword idea to your plan. When you're done building your plan, click Review Forecasts, and you will then see a graph with several estimates, like clicks, impressions, average position, and cost. You can use this information to help set your bids as well. When you're ready to save your keywords, click Save to Account. To start serving your keywords, you'll also want to make sure that you've created the right ads for your campaign. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to catch all the latest AdWords videos. Thanks for watching.